Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to Airbnb a home. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Airbnb account. Now on your screen you can see options like explore, wish list, trips, messages and profile. Go to profile. Once you go to profile, right below your show profile option, you can see you can Airbnb your place. Tap on it, then you have to drag that circle and name your price there. Then on the end of your screen you can see Airbnb setup. Tap on it. Now they're gonna ask you if you want to create a new listing. Select create a new listing. Then you have to tell about your place. Tap on get started. Once you do that, tap on next. Then they're gonna ask you what property you want to list as your Airbnb. You have to select house, then tap on next. Now they're gonna ask you a series of questions. You just have to answer them. Once you answer all those questions asked by the app, all you have to do is review your listing and tap on let's get started. Once you do that, you're gonna successfully Airbnb your home. And guys, that's it. That's how you Airbnb your home. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.